Hi.
Hi there.
So I'd like to start by observing the entrance to the property. I want it to be accessible and unobstructed.
Of course, all external paving and land completed, and we had no issues achieving the correct gradient.
Oh, it all looks great here.
Fantastic. Shall we go in?
Yeah. I'd like to inspect the smoke alarms of the property now to make sure they're all interlinked.
Yes, of course. They're mains operated and part of a Grade D system. Let me just activate it for you.
Great, I'd like to inspect now the quantity allocation of the sockets, electrical sockets in the lounge. The socket should be, for an apartment, at least 4 sockets. They should be 400 millimeters at least from the wall and between 400 millimeters and 1.2 meters from the floor. I'm only going to measure from the corner because I can see that the height is compliant.
Yes, of course. We've installed more plugs here for the owner's convenience, but all should still be within the regulations.